Hello guys, Tired of Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own subscribe button on Wondershare Filmora. Now if you haven't downloaded this, please go click the link in the description. That will take you to that website and you'll be able to download the Wondershare Filmora for free. Now it's easy to buy, all you gotta do is create your account. It doesn't have to be it has to be an account, but you gotta create one yourself. So don't give out to any information to anyone, just you and the computer. So if you do not know where my channel is, I'll put a link in the description as well, so you don't miss out subscribing to my channel. So let's get to it. First thing I want to do is open my Wondershare, which is right there at the bottom. Then we're gonna create new project. Now, I'm up early because, well, yeah, so let's not do that. So, the only way we're going to create a subscribe button and video is we're going to go to our, so, normally we go stock media, so we'll grab that. Now, you can drag however you want, but, so we're going to go to 20 seconds, so and I'm going to unlock this so I can size this. Oh, there we go. So you gotta resize this. Then I'm gonna grab is my titles. So we want to make sure it's lined up. It don't have to be perfect, so now you can type in your subscribe now, and you can put exclamation point. You can do anything with it, just make sure it's lined up so it looks like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and play. Now, what I could do is I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go Google search. Oops. Yeah, it does that sometimes, but we're going to go to arrow. Mouse arrow. Okay, so we're going to go to that. Then we're going to remove the background. Okay, so also we got options here, so we can pick anything, but I'm just gonna, yeah, so alright, normally what I would do is I would go save, and then I would go remove BG, and upload image, and then grab this. As I mentioned before, you gotta go to remove BG, so once you do that, you can download, preview, and go and save. And we're gonna X out that and come back to Wondershare. So this is gonna give us the idea, and then we're gonna import our arrow, which is our mouse. So I'm gonna drag here. So I'm gonna resize this because a lot of times you can't really see it. And I'm gonna put it right at the bottom. And then I'm gonna drag this. So I'm going to do this, and I'm gonna use keyframing. That's gonna give us like an actual video. Yep. We'll keep doing it until we get to the top. And I have to resize it, I'm not sure. it does it by itself. So then we'll have to resize it, and then let's see how it goes. And then if we want, we can always preview this, and then we can resize it. And then does chroma key like I said. And then we want to do same thing as the last part. Then we gotta do like a couple things, so yeah, that does that sometimes, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, well, honestly, we're not gonna be able to line it up perfectly, but it can if it wants to be, but because we're doing this as a tutorial. Okay, so let's just preview. Alright, once we do that, I'm gonna cut both of these, that and the arrow, and I'm going to render this. Now I would do like, export a YouTube video, you could put your titles, your description, your category, your tags. This is to say public, so if you want to put it public you can, put it private, only you can watch your video, or you could put on listed, so like, you have your own video but no one can see it, so it says your friends can watch your video, while private, only you can watch your video. Public, everyone can watch your video, so it's the same thing, it's just different. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to local, and then I'm going to type in subscribe now, as I mentioned, and then we're gonna go export, and then we're gonna go to our folders. So we're gonna drag. Well, we're gonna drag it to the video, and then we're gonna see how it looks. So if we want, we could adjust it a little bit, maybe like add a sound effect, maybe it would look good and stuff. We could do that. So we're gonna click check mark. Always use this app to open MP4 files. Media player, make sure that all good. Not either of these ones, either that or you can use Windows Media Player. So we're going to click OK, and then we can right here. Alright, it looks good. So I would do is we're going to X out that, and then I'm going to. Or you could do ways you could save. You could save it upload to Filmora Cloud, which obviously that's gonna go straight to cloud, and I would do that right now. And then I'm gonna type in subscribe now, and then we'll click save, and yep. So then we're gonna go back to our Wondershare Filmora, and then we'll go back to our video to make sure we get it right. So if we make a little mistake, we can adjust a little bit, but it looks good. So what I want to do is I want to add a sound effect. So we're gonna go and add click sound effect. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna download that, and then we're gonna X out and go back to Wondershare. So we're gonna. It's just a little simple click. We're going to get to the. Oh yeah. And then if you want, we could always. So we're gonna drag right here. We could cut portions of your click, so that's gonna only make that sound. So now we're gonna have to adjust a little because obviously I don't. Okay. So I want to see where it goes to. So let's just preview. Alright, looks good. I mean, we're gonna have to like adjust a little bit, so we're gonna go slow. See how look. Oh, see, that's too slow. So we're gonna. Yeah, that's it. We can always go back if we want. So I prefer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, so it's not. I'm going to. I'm going to limit the use of how slow it could be. Okay, so let's go back. It looks good actually, because I don't need to be putting clicks, so it's not safe. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you realize that, okay, you can create your own subscribe button. If you don't, then I'll leave a link in the description for that PNG. That's going to be in the PNG file in the description. If you are not watching my videos of my previous vlog, put a link in the description. If you are not subscribed, make sure you like this video and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to comment if you have any questions. If you have any suggestions on what I want to do, I want to do is like, a lot of gaming stuff, because I'm going to be busy for a long time. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.